Lot F97 is a 1955 Chevrolet Cameo pickup truck with a 302 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission, and it sold for $44,000 on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 65,189 miles, and the highlights are one of 5,220 Cameos produced for the 1955 model year. 302 cubic inch Chevrolet port-tuned V8 engine, which is actually a 5-liter tuned port engine. 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Low car shifter. White exterior, red interior. Aftermarket air conditioning utilizing original dash controls. Lowered straight axle and rear blocks. Krager smoothie wheels, and Coker whitewall tires. Actually, this one has the 5-liter tuned port V8 engine that Chevy had out in the 80s. So I guess you'd call it a bit of a resto mod, although I would prefer a LS engine in it. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.